Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Suzuki Baleno GL hatch, stock reference number 5674. The shape runs from the 4th month 2016 through to the 12th month 2022. It has a K14B 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. K14B 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left power door mirror. Bonnet has no damage. Left rear door has 4 small dents. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage. Right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen sat nav player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.